Designed to prevent loading dock runoffs, the Dock Barricade represents the next generation of innovative loading dock safety systems. The electric hydraulic power unit provides quick and effortless operation. It can stop a 4,000-pound loaded truck at 4 miles per hour. It is electronically operated and consists of an electric bumper-style safety stop circuit to sense obstructions when lowering. Installation is simple. Anchor the unit to the floor, mount the control to the frame and plug it in. The mechanical unit features a manual hand crank winch to raise and lower the barricade arm. All of the units include a lock bar on the arm post to restrict rotation of the barricade arm. A padlock is not included. There are 3 different models of Dock Barricade: hand winch operation, 2 models of electric operation, one that fits a 10x10 door size, and an 8x8 door size. Operating the barricade. To raise the barricade arm, press the Raise Tilt button. Press the Lower Tilt button to lower the arm. The arm only moves as long as a button is pressed. The arm stops moving when the operator releases the button. The barricade arm is equipped with an obstruction sensing switch that halts arm movement while the Lower Tilt button is pressed. The switch is mounted to the underside of the arm. If the arm contacts an obstruction while lowering, a vehicle for example, the switch is activated. To resolve the issue, simply press the Raise Tilt button and remove the obstruction before lowering the arm again. The arm can be locked in the lowered configuration by inserting the locking bar through the slot in the armrest. Consult the Dock Barricade Owner's Manual for proper installation procedures.